Ah, my sisters, come gather round. Let's have a little chat, just us. We're going to talk about something so important. Something that helps us feel good, truly good, from the inside out.
You know the feeling, eh? Those days where something just doesn't feel quite right. A bit of discomfort, maybe a little irritation. I'm telling you, it's not just you. We have all been there. And that's why we need to talk. Because the secret to feeling fresh and comfortable, truly, it comes down to this little thing called pH balance. So let's get into it.
Now, don't you worry, this isn't some boring science class. Just think of it like this. Your body has its own personal bodyguard, okay? And this bodyguard is there to protect you from all the bad stuff, like infections. It's your very own defense system.
And this right here is the magic number. When your pH is sitting comfortably in this sweet spot between 3.8 and 4.5, you're protected. Your bodyguard is strong, and you feel fantastic. But listen, life happens, right? Our hormones go up and down. Our monthly visitor arrives. Even the soaps we're told to use can actually mess things up. It can be so frustrating, I know. So when things feel a little out of whack, what is a woman to do? Well, you call on a friend for help. A really good friend, a new bestie, in fact. One that's gentle and natural and just gets it. And here she is. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Dadacare Probiotic Feminine Foam Wash. Honestly, this little bottle right here is a total game changer. Let me show you why. You know how some of those other soaps can be so harsh? They irritate our delicate skin and throw our natural pH all off balance? But Dadacare? It's different. It's designed to match your natural pH. It soothes your body, and there are absolutely no fragrances. It's just pure gentleness. And look at this, just eight simple, natural ingredients. That's it. No complicated chemicals, no fillers, no nonsense. Just 8 pure things from nature working together for you. There's a real power in that simplicity. So are you ready to meet this dream team? Because what's inside this bottle, it's like a little group of superheroes, all from nature, each with its own special power to help you feel your best. Look at this lineup. We've got the probiotics, our little peacekeepers. Then there's lactic acid, the ultimate balancer. Amaranth extract is the soother, and pomegranate extract is the guardian. What a team. Let's look a little closer. So, first up are the probiotics. Think of your body like a beautiful, lush garden. These probiotics are the friendly gardeners, the good bacteria that make sure everything is healthy and in harmony, keeping all the troublemakers out. And then we have lactic acid. Remember that magic number we talked about? Well, this is the ingredient that makes sure your body stays right in that perfect happy zone. It keeps everything beautifully balanced so your natural defenses are always at their strongest. And the rest of the team is just as wonderful. Amaranth is like a gentle, calming hug for any irritation. Pomegranate is a strong guardian protecting your delicate skin. And then you have licorice, cranberry, and gentle cleansers from coconut that wash away impurities without ever being harsh. It's just a whole team of goodness. So how do we make this a part of our day? Well, this isn't just another thing to do. Think of it as a small, beautiful ritual of self-care. A moment just for you to connect with your body and give it the gentle love it deserves. And it's so simple. You just take 1 pump of this beautiful, light foam into your hands, gently cleanse the external area, and then rinse with warm water. And remember, always front to back. Then just pat dry with a soft, clean towel. See? A lovely, simple moment. But, this is about so much more than just feeling clean. It's about how it makes you feel inside. That quiet confidence that comes from knowing you are taking wonderful, gentle care of yourself. Just listen to that. Embrace a more confident and revitalized self. Yes, that is exactly it. It's an invitation to feel completely at home and wonderful in your own skin. So this little act of self-love, it gives you freshness that lasts all day. It gives you peace of mind because you know you're only using natural goodness. And most of all, it gives you that special kind of confidence that just shines from within. So, my sister, are you ready? Ready to turn a simple daily routine into a true act of self-love? You deserve to feel this good every single day. Go on now. You absolutely deserve it.